Hi everyone, if you are a mother of a toddler, then this video is just for you. Hi everyone, I am Ashwini Malji. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share few simple grammar topics that you can start teaching your toddler in a fun and easy way. So let's get started. The first topic is noun, which are just name of people, places, animals or things. You can say your child that whatever exists or what we see, everything has a name like a ball, cat or a chair. So the name of these all things are nouns. Now let's see an activity for your child. The second topic is pronouns like I, we, you, he, she, it, they. You can model these in your conversation like I am cooking, you are eating, she is sleeping, or you can make them practice in the notebook by adding some pictures or drawing some pictures and asking them to match with the I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Let's see. Next up, we have the verbs. These are the action words like run, eat, sleep, jump. You can say things like Mama is cooking, she is jumping, she is dancing, and ask your child that which are the action words in this. Let's not forget the adjectives. These are the words that describes the things. For example, a red ball, a big teddy, cold water. Use lots of describing words in your daily talk, like the apple is sweet, the frog is pretty. So these were the 4 simple grammar topics which you can start teaching your toddler in a simple and easy way. Remember, learning should be fun and natural at this age. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more toddler learning ideas. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.